everyone! I'm starting a series of super simple recipes that anyone can make. Super short, no-nonsense videos that get straight to the point. Our no-churn rustic black sesame ice cream requires only 3 ingredients: 1 cup of whipping cream, half a can of condensed milk that's not salsa, so about 200 milliliters, and ground sesame seeds. That's all you need. In a large mixing bowl, add in cream and whisk until you get soft peaks. This is a great arm workout. Actually, you should use a hand mixer if you got one. Your resulting cream should look like this. Not too stiff, but falls in globs if you pick it up with a spatula. Next, gently fold in your condensed milk. Start from the outside of the bowl and push it towards the middle. This is to prevent the deflation of your whipped cream. Next, add the sesame powder. I eyeballed this amount, but I say I added about a 1/4 cup in a few batches of folding in. When you're satisfied with the mixing, pour it into a loaf pan. Freeze it for about 5 hours, and I'll see you later. So if you find this too hard to scoop, let it sit out for about 15 minutes before you dig in. Since I don't have an ice cream scoop, I tried to make a rocher shape with my spoon, but it's a little icy, so it didn't work exactly the way it should. Anyways, top your dessert with it, and you're done. Enjoy!